Good morning, good day to all of us. Good morning, Baghdad. It's already 6 o'clock. No? Oh yeah, 6 o'clock. So I finished already in the kitchen. I finished already by myself. And now I'm just start cleaning the big salon. The big salon naman, the big balcony. No, thank you. Thank you again. Thank you for the views. 87. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you all of this one. Thank you so much, and thank you very much. As what I'm telling nationwide, worldwide, and to the different countries, and to the different people in this world, thank you so much to all my relatives, to all my uncle, my nanay and tatay both side. In my hometown, the weather is very, very hot. Okay, it's very, very hot, the weather. And thank you again for giving everything that we have, Lord. Lord, salamat. Thank you, Lord, sa another life, another health, and another everything what we have. Thank you so much talaga for the more blessings. Not only to me, not only to buong angkan sa mother side and father side ko, to my brother, only brother, and to all brothers that I have, cousins, relatives, angkan na mga brothers, mga friends, mga kababata, mga kabatchmate, mga ka-workers, mga brothers, mga ka-vloggers, and all bloggers that they are belong in the social media already, and to all people in this world that we are still living in this earth. Thank you so much, Lord, for giving, provide everything, whatever we need, every day, that while still living in this earth. Thank you so much talaga to all of us. Kung hindi ko man, if I cannot mention naman, I can pronounce na talaga. You are already, this is already part of my journey while I'm still living pa in this earth as all FW. Thank you so much talaga. Thank you for all that we have. To all mga people that are still in the social media, especially sa mga kaisla ko, nagiging social media na talaga sila lahat, halos na. Ang nakiki-include na rin ako para hindi ako behind. And mga some bloggers that you are always still supported me from the beginning, from the 1 subscriber until now that I have. Thank you so much talaga. You are helping together in my time hours that we need, and to complete to become my small beginner YouTuber. Thank you very much talaga. Thank you for the more understanding, for the more blessings. Mga co-workers, founder of the YouTube, hello YouTube company, hello YouTube, how are you? To all staff and workers, and to the another social media that belong in the different countries, and good health and God bless us all talaga. Mag-start na ako sa cleaning dito. Basta lagi nang natandaan, ingat, keep safe, and God knows everything. To all religion people in this world, and to all town fiesta in the all Christian people that are belong in this earth, especially in my hometown. Happy Fiesta, Plaridel. And happy birthday, Kinit. Happy birthday. This is the birthday ni Kinit sa anak ko. He is the first one, anak ko. That's what I have. Okay, so thank you very much.